2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV. 2019 saw Chevrolet revive the Blazer as a two-row midsize crossover, much to the dismay of original Blazer enthusiasts who had been anticipating for an off-road capable SUV. As Chevy launches the SUV bearing the illustrious brand into the electrified vehicle world for 2024, here comes another surprise emblazoned with the Blazer badge. If the Blazer's electrification disappoints you, there is still hope. The SS trim, which boasts 557 horsepower and can reportedly reach 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds, is available gas-free and goes by the name Blazer EV. 3 other less powerful, but more reasonably priced, variants are also offered, even though the SS is designed to compete with vehicles like the Tesla Model Y Performance and the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. The Blazer EV is powered by General Motors' Ultium battery technology. According to Chevy, the RS trim has the most range, reaching up to 324 miles between charges. The Blazer EV is an all-new model within the Blazer family, with its own distinct body and interior. It's not a gas Blazer fitted with an EV propulsion system. There are 3 trim levels available. The performance-focused SS trim comes in second, and the mid-range LT and RS models launch first. Prior to the release of the Blazer EV, Chevrolet made the decision to discontinue the entry-level 1 LT model, which had been planned. EV motor, power, and performance. Compared to competing EV SUVs, the Blazer EV has a far wider range of powertrain combinations, making its portfolio more complex. While the RS can be ordered with rear or all-wheel drive, the entry-level Lieutenant can only be ordered with front or all-wheel drive. Both trim levels' all-wheel drive versions are propelled by a pair of electric motors totaling 288 horsepower. In California, we tested an all-wheel drive RS, and while it accelerated well, it wasn't very exciting. If you want a Blazer EV that accelerates faster off the line, the rear-wheel drive RS is the one to choose. It has a stronger single motor that produces 340 horsepower. Unless, of course, you can afford the top-of-the-line SS model. Chevrolet claims that it can reach 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds and is only available with a 557 HP electric drivetrain that includes standard all-wheel drive. Chevy claims the model can reach 60 miles per hour in less than 4.0 seconds. The Blazer EV from Chevrolet offers good road manners. The RS provided a predictable handling and a comfortable ride during our first drive. Although we would have preferred more feedback from the steering, body roll is well controlled, and the brakes are engaged with a solid, confidence-boosting pedal. The Chevy uses regenerative braking, just like other electric vehicles. When the system is engaged, the driver can choose from multiple degrees of regenerative braking, with the maximum level enabling one-pedal driving. Range, charging, and battery life. The all-wheel drive Lieutenant is also rumored to be capable of a 279-mile range. The rear-wheel drive RS model has the longest EPA estimated driving range of the lineup at 324 miles. Choosing the all-wheel drive version reduces that estimate to 279 miles. The driving range of the SS trim has not yet been evaluated by the EPA, but according to Chevrolet, it should be around 290 miles. Chevrolet claims that the Blazer EV can add roughly 78 miles of range in just 10 minutes while charging at up to 190 kilowatts on a DC fast charger. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Although the Blazer EV only has 2 rows, the front and rear seats are both roomy and cozy for adult passengers. Every model has an aggressively styled appearance that perfectly complements the SUV's sporty interior design theme. Chevy has adopted a 2-tone black and red color scheme for the RS and SS trims, with round air vents flanking the dashboard. For those who prefer a more somber appearance, a more subdued style is also available. It will be simpler to put heavier objects into the 60 cubic foot cargo area with a flat floor when the back seats are folded down, which increases the capacity from 26 cubic feet. We'll use our carry-on suitcase test to see how much cargo room the Blazer EV has when we have a chance, and we'll update this story with the findings. Infotainment and connectivity. A big 17.7-inch infotainment display, slightly angled toward the driver, is standard on all versions. It is framed on the left and bottom by physical controls for the climate control system and a volume knob. The driver is presented with gauges and other driving information on a secondary 11.0-inch display. GM's most recent infotainment system, which employs Google built-in, is installed in the Blazer EV. Popular apps like Spotify, Waze, and Google Maps are easily accessible through the software. However, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are not available. Although many of our employees and some drivers may find it annoying, the UI is generally user-friendly. With suggestions for charging stations along the way and an estimated remaining range when arriving at destinations, the navigation system is particularly educational. Pricing. Depending on the model and extras, the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV might cost anywhere from $56,715 to $65,995. To maximize the Blazer's driving range, we would choose the rear-wheel drive RS variant. Cool 21-inch alloys, a power-operated hands-free rear liftgate, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated flat-bottom steering wheel, and an illuminated Chevrolet bowtie emblem are standard on this sporty-looking model. It is available with rear-wheel drive, RWD, or all-wheel drive, AWD, with the RWD variant rated for a longer range and higher horsepower.